Hello, everybody. We're about. Where's that went? Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the adventures of. What was it? Welcome back to the adventures of me, which is Isaac and Kopi, and the 3 puppy pups, I suppose. And I know you had a hard time. Let's see. Freak. Bro, what the frick? Ugh, it's a real bug, bro. It's a real bug. And of course, it was raining yesterday and it was raining the other days. I don't know if this rain is going to continue because I see clouds. I know it's a hard day to sleep with rain. Just hard. Oh, we just got this cart thing. And there's black grass. Looks like we gotta jump over it. Oh. And we got this whooping stick. Attack. Slice, and dice. Hold on. We're shorter. Slice, and dice. You see this? You do this. Slice, and dice. That's how you beat the bad guys. That's how you beat the criminals. The criminals. Yeah, that's how you beat them. When you have a huge sword and you go like slice. No, hold on. Slice, and dice, and you will like throw them off, and then you like have them, and then you just like wiggle them like right there, cause you sew them into the body, and then you fling them all the way over there. Bro, I had enough with these PG-13 movies. I had enough of it. I had enough of it because who makes PG-13 movies? That's my reason. Who makes PG-13 movies? Bro, there's no reason to do that. There's no freaking reason to do that. Waiting in the dark. Huh? Ooh, wait, hold on. I should bring my soccer ball. It's actually cold. Wait, hold on. Let me do a Mario jump. Mario jump. 1, 2, 3. I can actually make that. Mario jump. Time to go in. Yeah. You're my boy. On the video. Doesn't want to show your face. And we also got package on. It's about to begin. Ugh. No. It's not questioning that for no reason. What is it? It's the official. Never do that. It's basically, it has all seasons. Sunny, rainy, can be in a light, I suppose, and snow. Okay. I'm touching a ball with my hand because I don't want to go over there. So just the fence over there. So I need to do because I need to tap. Like if it gets like, well, not from here, but like there's a one from here, but from here, nah. Oh my god, bro. That is super weak. That is super weak. Oh!
¿Está alguien en vivo en el money order? Ya. ¿Sí? ¿No hay servicio al cliente? ¿O tú no has agarrado esa opción?
What is going on? There's water dripping. There's water. Freaking water dripping. Water dripping. Water dripping. That's what you get, Bob. That's what you get. Like that, man. Like that, man. Like that, man. Like that. Yeah. Checking. Still recording. Oh. It's still recording. We got a little bit of time. So when it gets to, it's already sprinkling. Bro, are you serious? It's sunny. It's already been sprinkling. Oh. Imagine like that. If that would happen, you felt it weak. And you just tumbled around in the floor and you just die instantly with your soccer ball. Sprinkling. Windy. I'm sorry, it's because of my throat. on. I suck at ball. Hurry up. Let's go. No way. No. No. I suck at No. No. I suck at ball. No. Let's go away. No. 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 Oh, I hear this. My soccer ball! No! No! Finally! It's getting wet too. It's sprinkling. One last thing. Let's go and check the dogs. Oh, midday. Let's go and check the dogs. But why don't we go this way? We need to go the other side. Alright, come on. We gotta join the group. Come on. Come on, we gotta join the group. And it's sprinkling. It's sprinkling. Run inside. Hello. What you doing? Kopi. Hello, Kopi. How you doing? And the kitty slipping with Kopi and Chinito right over there. Hello, Daisy. Oh, you already go down already. Sorry. Actually, I showcased those puppy dogs. And this is not a normal world. This is called living life on the edge. See you later, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like. Let's get over 100,000 likes for this. What was it? Is this? What kind of episode is this? Hold on. I don't know, but I'm trying to think. But this, okay, this. I will see you guys later. We will continue part episode something else. We'll continue over here. I'm sure I'm gonna make another video when I am sitting here. And I'll see you later, subscribers and the people who are watching this video. I'll see you later, everybody. That's the end of this video. Gotta go and get my soccer ball, bro. Ooh!